Hi everyone, how are you? Are you fine? So, today's story is, the Earth has been attacked by a meteor. There will be a meteor, and a superhero will come and then let us see what will happen. This story is by the creative writer Riley Queen.
Hi everyone, so today we have a breaking news. It is a meteor will hit our city, and we didn't spawn any superhero.
It's time to go. I will see when is the meteor is going to hit the city. In night. So, I am going to get ready to destroy it. Hi everyone, I am Hannah, the superhero. I've destroyed the meteor.
So, as you see, our superhero Hannah destroyed the meteor. We're so grateful to Hannah.
Hi everyone, how are you? Are you fine? So, today I installed a story from the topic, superhero. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, love you, bye.